Hey guys, so welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can glitch on your phone in Heartopia. Now this is on PC as I'm recording this, but I have done it before on my phone. I just can't record on it because my phone will not record because this game is pretty heavy for my phone and I don't have the best phone. So basically, it's pretty similar actually to the PC one. Um, I see this, but it's still a little bit different. So, for instance, I want like my chair to look like this. Okay, this seems so silly, but I'm just going to place this chair here for now, and I'm going to add a floor just to see where my chair is. Okay, I'll place it like in the middle here. And then for the phone, I'm just going to place like a wall here. It's very similar. We're going to take the chair, this first chair that we placed in its correct spot. We're going to like place it above the wall and like out of bounds basically. So you don't want to place it where it's like red. You want to place it where it's like out of bounds. For PC to glitch stuff, you have to long press the check mark button and click on this icon a few times for it to work. Okay, that didn't work the first try, but it takes a few tries for it to work. Okay. But on the phone, oh my gosh, I glitched the wrong chair. Hold on, let me put this back. But on the phone, you basically click both of those buttons together. So when it is out of bounds, you're just going to click it together. The difference is like in PC, you can't click the same things together. You'll probably need like keybinds, but I don't think that could also like work because you'll need your mouse to click both of them at the same time. But if you're on your phone, you can actually just click it using your two fingers at the same time. So you'll need to click these two buttons at the same time. But I'm on PC, so I have to do it like this. Oh my gosh, I have to like be really quick with it. Okay. And then once you have done that, you're going to place the like object where you want it to like glitch together. Then you're just going to press complete and then you're just going to see that it has glitched. If you did build it in like blueprint mode to test it out, you can just go back to editing it and it will be like merged together. But that is how you can glitch items in your mobile app, in the like mobile game, I guess. So you just click those two buttons together, and this is what it looks like. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.